Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today is the Navratri 6th day. So I would like to prepare payasam at home. So this is the Navratri special payasam. So today is the red and golden day. So I would like to wear red and golden outfit on my wardrobe. Today the Alankara is LALITHA Tripura Sundari Devi. Happy Navratri all of you. I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video. So let's get started into the video. We need these ingredients: 1 bowl of sago and 2 ilachis, milk, ghee, jaggery, cashew and kismis, and water. Take a big bowl and put on the stove, and we need soak jaggery in the water, and that water in take a big bowl and add sago and mix it well and sim flame on the stove. After that 5 minutes you add milk on that mixer. And mix it well. Again 5 minutes wait in the sim flame. And add the ilachi on that mixer. And again mix it well. Cashew and kismis. Take a small bowl and add ghee on that bowl, and put on cashew and kismis on that small bowl. Now fry the cashew and kismis. Finish frying. Add into the previous mixture. The recipe is ready to eat. Now take a bowl and serve it like this. Okay, now I taste prasadam. For watching this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.